we got the tree in here. Normally, we decorate the morning right after Thanksgiving. We decorate the Christmas tree. I usually make like Christmas tree pancakes and all that, and we decorate the tree. But Titus and Tyler and Jonah have some farms that they have to go to today, so we want to wait on them. And we also need to get the Christmas decorations down because I'm not even sure if we have the lights for the Christmas tree. I don't remember seeing them in the Christmas decorations when we brought them from the barn up to here, up to the garage. And now I'm trying to remember last year when we took the Christmas tree down, where we put the lights. I can't remember if they were like in such a jumbled mess. All the years are like kind of coming together. I remember one year we had some strands that didn't burn. Was that last year? Anyway, I'll check here in a little bit and see if there are any lights in those Christmas bins, but I'm pretty sure, because we looked in them whenever we brought the fall stuff up here. We looked at the Christmas stuff, me and Jonah did, and I don't remember seeing any lights. We also need to rearrange so we can put the tree where it's gonna go. I'm thinking it's gonna go in the corner, because then all we have to do is move this little bit of stuff into our bedroom for right now. And you know what? I said last year that we had the tree over here. We didn't have it over here last year. Last year it was right over here where the wood stove is, and of course it can't go there or near the wood stove, so it wasn't in this corner last year. That's the main reason that I wasn't wanting to put it in the corner. Well, that, and because I wanted it in front of the window. It must have been the year before that it was in this corner, and I just didn't want to have it in the same spot, you know, 2 years in a row. Why? I don't know. I'm crazy like that. But I also wanted it in front of the window. I just think it's gonna make more sense with, we can't really move that desk anywhere else. With the wood stove, we don't have as much, you know, room over here as we used to put things, so it's just gonna make more sense to move this stuff to the bedroom and put the tree over there. Maybe the rocking chair can still stay. I would kind of like for the rocking chair to be beside the Christmas tree. We're watching the Bernstein Bears find their Christmas tree, and Mr. Man wants to play this checkers game. Do you want to be the gingerbread men or snowflakes? Are they gingerbread cookies? What are they? They might be cookies. Or I bet it's a sugar cookie.
They have sprinkles.
Yep, they have sprinkles. They're cookies, aren't they? Let's say they're sugar cookies. You want to?
Mm-hmm. I like being gingerbread men.
Okay. Are we playing on red or green?
I'll be on red.
Okay, let's play on red. Last Christmas is when he was learning how to play checkers. I'm pretty sure it was last Christmas.
I'm good at checkers. I played the circle one.
Yeah, you played with the circle ones. You're getting pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You can go first, okay? Remember, you gotta stay on the red squares and just jump once unless you're jumping over something, okay? Hang on. I see we need a refresh of the memory. You gotta move, you can't jump over the green parts. Like move this gingerbread man to there. There you go. Starting to remember now? Okay.
I did it. I'll put mine.
Oh, you put yours right there? Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna put mine right here. You see something you can do? Very good. Now you take my sugar cookie that you jumped. You take it.
Those horses, and Jonah's making better money than me and Tyler. I mean, he got paid a $20 bill to hold a horse. That's making money, ain't it?
Yeah. There he is. There's still one out there? What? Okay. Let's catch him.
So what I do is I work for the same farms every 6 to 8 weeks, and like these two horses here are new. I think she rescued these horses. And most of my customers are at work. They just tell me what they need done, and we catch the horses and shoe the horses, put shoes on them, or either we just trim them.
Just get this one right here. That's Connie's horse that she uses quite a bit.
We're looking for Christmas lights for the tree, y'all, because we don't have our other ones from last year. Oh, they have these lights. Not the cool white, it's just the warm. No, they have these warm white big bulbs too. That's pretty. Do you think one strand of big ones on it, or no, you don't want it to go big?
No, I like them big ones. Do you like them?
Yeah, I like them. We probably need 2 of those though, don't we?
Probably
And then
3.
We're looking for it with the green string. Yeah, they got it right here with the white string, see? But not the green string. Those for outside, ain't they?
they're indoor or outdoor.
Indoor or outdoor? You like these? Not feeling that?
Yeah, I'm not feeling those deer.
Fella ain't feeling that.
I like
What about the
Yeah,
snowman?
the snowman is good. That one's taped up.
Oh, he taped his hat back on.
Where's Waldo? Hey, that'd be fun to hang on the tree and have
To
somebody
find him?
find him every day.
Yeah.
Let the Christmas books begin. How the Grinch Lost Christmas. Up high on Mount Crumpet, just north of the Who's, a Who just delivered the day's Whoville news. The cave on Mount Crumpet was home to the Grinch, who sprung from his cave just enough, plus 1 inch, to stare down at Whoville from high up above it. Tomorrow was Christmas, and speaking there of it, my heart, grinned the Grinch, has grown quite to love it. Alright y'all, tomorrow is tree decorating day, and we're gonna try something new for breakfast this time. Normally, on Christmas tree decorating mornings, I make Christmas tree shaped pancakes. This time, we're gonna make a cherry cinnamon roll breakfast casserole. First, we need half a stick of butter, and I got these Land O'Lakes half sticks at Ingles. They were on sale for the same price as full sticks, but this one's already a half stick, ready to go for us. We're just gonna slice it into little pieces. I'm gonna spray my casserole dish. And we'll just slice up our butter and then put it all around here. Did anybody get any good Black Friday deals? Y'all let me know. I got a few online. I didn't do any in-store Black Friday. I don't think any of the stuff, we went to Walmart, you know, look for lights, but I don't think any of the stuff we got was Black Friday deal. But I did find a few online. We're using Pillsbury Grand's cinnamon rolls for this one. And what we're gonna do is just chop them into 4s. Let me get a cutting board or a cutting mat real quick. And we're gonna save the icing in here. I'm just gonna put it back in the refrigerator because this is what we'll use to drizzle over the top of it in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and open this other can. Now we'll just cut them into 4s and put them all around in our pan. Okay. Now cutting these is gonna make them, it's kind of like a bubble up bake. Y'all know we've made a lot of bubble up bakes with canned biscuits. We're gonna take this can of cherry pie filling and just spread it all over the top. For some reason this one was on clearance for only $2.34. I'm gonna try to make sure we get cherries all over. Sometimes, you know, you'll just have a big thing of filling. Okay, now we'll set this over to the side. In here, we're gonna put 4 eggs. Can I put some yolks? Yes. Okay, Jonah's whisking those up for me. We're gonna put in half a cup of heavy cream. Oh, open yet. I think I have one open in here. There we go. Okay, we're putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla, teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we're just going to pour this all over the top. It looks delicious. What's it called? Cherry cinnamon roll casserole. Creative, huh? Yeah. That's it for tonight. We cover it. It's going in the refrigerator. You know what? I better use aluminum foil because I think I'm going to bake it covered for a little while in the oven first. cinnamon rolls are really fluffy. Do we even need words? It tastes like a cinnamon roll, cherry cobbler. That is great. Absolutely wonderful. You can use any pie filling that you want to use for this. Apple, blueberry, blackberry, strawberry. Definitely great for a Christmas breakfast, like whatever, anytime throughout the holidays. Actually, anytime at all, but especially during the holidays. I can't quit eating it. It's great.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains.